So guys, today we are doing this playing with hydraulics.
Playing with hydraulics, cool. Open it.
We ain't gonna stop doing this kiwi. We ain't gonna stop delivering Kiwicrate.
Oh Lord.
We should not.
So playing with hydraulics, what else is in there?
This is the instruction book.
That's the instruction. And what's that? The storybook or magazine?
Yeah, the storybook.
There's all your
orange pillars.
everything that's included.
Whoa, crazy looking material accessories.
What is this?
Look, erasable marker set.
Erasable marker set.
They came
With some syringes.
syringes,
Some tubes.
some tubes. What is this?
What's this?
We got more wooden pieces,
Okay, more wooden pieces.
more looking
The
background
paper.
accessories.
Okay, let me read this real quick. Track pieces, set of 7, 2 elastics, 7 rubber bands, 5 rubber bands, 2 pipe cleaners, 2 dowels, beads, 3 syringe holders, 4 syringes, 2 tubes, frame, 4 markers. Did you get markers? Oh, erasable markers, yeah. 2 clear pictures, 2 paper pictures, 2 foam marshmallows, 6 brad stand, 2 sticky foam sheets, instructions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Let's do.
This is everything.
It comes with.
But hydraulic system. We're looking at this.
Oh yeah. Hydraulic system, builder system.
Water powered inchworm, mystery color mechanism,
Let's read,
hydraulic system.
let's read what this was. This builder system that puts water in work. Water powered inchworm, make an inchworm that wiggles across the back. Mystery color mechanism. Color in a picture using water power.
Oh, that is so cool.
Like Aquaman.
I don't think I got that on camera.
These syringes are not real life. These are fake syringes.
Yes,
I mean,
they don't have needles.
Yes.
They're safe for children.
Yes, they're safe for children.
Thank you for that caution.
You're welcome. He said we needed a cup of water and some empty water.
Some food coloring for your water?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. So, can you turn on the water? Turn. Can you? Oh, you can't do it. I thought you could reach. That should be enough. Let's get some food. Okay, so we have the water. He's
So
gonna
what
put
happens?
some dry. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Whoa!
Now stir it with your popsicle stick. Because he said he wanted red food coloring.
It looks like blood somehow. Oh.
Oh Lord, everything. Okay, put your popsicle stick on here. Now, what did the directions tell you?
It said press the plunger all the way down.
Yeah, but no.
Back the hole with your finger.
Okay, stop. And then, what does it say?
You gotta block the hole with your finger.
Your water spills out, refill your syringe. Step 3. Push the plunger of syringe A all the way down.
What the?
What?
Water never came out. I mean,
Yeah, nothing's gonna
That's
come
science.
out. Wait, you're scaring me.
that's science.
Okay, so RJ has syringe A, I have syringe B. Now push your syringe in.
Syringe fire!
And now we have a hydraulic. Now pull it. Great job, and it went down.
This is using the force. This is fun. It's like a blood shooter.
Now we're gonna see what the next little experiment is. The water-powered inchworm. So let's go to the next one.
Part A, make your worm. Step 1, push the bead over the bend in the green pipe cleaner and slide it down. This is your inchworm.
Did you break something?
No, I didn't. It just slid down.
So far we have our little inchworm connected to the syringe the way it shows. We have our empty syringe and the one full of liquid. RJ is now opening the wooden track pieces that we're gonna have to build.
Woo! Woo! Bunch of wooden pieces.
We're gonna try to see If the inchworm moves. Go ahead. Nothing happened. What the?
Whoa.
What? Is something happening? I see nothing. Maybe I was supposed to empty this side if anything happens. Oh, it grew.
That means
But it's not moving a lot. Maybe I filled it up with too much water in the first place.
Maybe.
I don't know. That's kind of weird. Womp, womp, womp.
Stretch the elastic back over the dowels. You're ready to move.
Okay, we're going to try this.
Can I try it?
Yes.
See what happens. Pizza.
He moved.
Why is he supposed to stand to the finish line?
Maybe I should have filled it up more.
Which might be better.
You gotta be quick. Oh, he keeps getting stuck in the same little spot. Let's move him from here.
Why does he keep... Maybe that's because... I think he...
But also, if you're pulling the strings back, he's not gonna go forward, baby.
And how would you make him go forward?
There, he just went forward a little bit. Oh, he's almost there. There you go.
He's got you to finish line.
Push. Uh-oh.
I think we got to push harder.
Yeah. You gotta use the force. Luke.
Luke Skywalker.
I am your father. Tell your little caterpillar. Luke.
Luke.
I am your father.
I am your father. Did you see in Star Wars before?
I'm about to just jump him over. Little caterpillar is stuck. Or inchworm, sorry.
He's got you. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right
Oh, Lord. Oh, he was almost there.
there. All right there. He's right
Woo!
there.
He finished. So what are we doing now?
You're using
The mystery color mechanism?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You'll use the competed hydraulic system, small syringe holder, a frame, clear picture, a paper.
White marker is supposed to make your color disappear.
Oh my god, that is awesome. Whoa. Whoa, so sweet. This is madness. This is madness, and it's so awesome. Okay.
That is so cool.
It took the orange too. Let's see if it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys mine. Making little lines on my seahorse with the white marker that makes the color disappear. Ooh, look at that. It's so cute.
I know.
Okay, watch this, guys. Do you see that?
Yes.
Look, a circle appeared because I colored it with the white. Look, a swirl appeared.
Whoa.
Look, there's more.
Oh my god.
The white marker is awesome. Okay, now you can stop. He has water over here. There's a syringe behind it. I don't know if we did this correctly.
1, 2.
But go ahead and push it.
1, 2, 3, fire.
What in the world? It is colorful. What? Oh, there's no color.
Fire.
There's color. No color. Color. No color. Color. That is so cool. Go show grandma. So that's all for this Kiwicrate. We really had fun doing it. Sorry I didn't videotape more of how everything was set up. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.